blue, over 99% accurate, pregnant or not pregnant, fast and accurate. So I'm going to actually get mad, though, because it's like, why would you send me a pregnancy test? No, like, legitimately after this, why would you send me a pregnancy test? For Bonnie. I've never even met Bonnie Blue! Smells like the doctor's office, dude. Ew. Yeah, mods, do me a favor, just permaban him. I'm not doing this shit anymore. Yo, chat, I don't have a kid. I don't have a baby. I'm not expecting a baby. Why would you send me a pregnancy test? I mean, use it, piss on it, try it. You know what, chat? I'm gonna politely decline